Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and today's video is going to be how to make a beautiful artificial floral arrangement. It's going to be quick and easy, so stay tuned. I love making custom floral arrangements, and I have some florals probably in just about every room in my house except the kitchen. But I like floral arrangements that are just really light and airy and just add some softness and beauty to the room. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a floral arrangement that's going to be low, which is perfect for a dining room table. And we're going to make it in an oblong container. And this is so easy. You're just going to use some hydrangeas, some lamb's ear, some Spanish moss. You'll need foam and hot glue. And I've left a list of supplies at the end of the video. I wanted to show you one more floral arrangement that I did for a client, and I added just a little bit of blush pink and a little bit of lilacs into the arrangement, just changed it up a little bit, but the same concept. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, sometimes it's the little things that can make the biggest difference. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell because it'll notify you when I have a new video out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.